A lot of people stick to the basics in Gmail, but with a few simple habits, you can save time and stay more organized. So in this video, I'll walk you through 10 simple tips that will make your email faster, cleaner, and way easier to manage. Again, fix today here. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, undo send. You know that moment when you send an email and immediately realize something is wrong. Maybe a typo, wrong person, or missing attachment. Yeah, we've all been there. Here's how to fix that. Go to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon, then click see all settings. Make sure you're in the general tab. Scroll down until you see undo send. Set it to 30 seconds, then scroll down and click save changes. Now, whenever you send an email, look at the bottom left corner. You'll see an undo option. Click that and your email opens back up so you can fix it. Tip number 2, schedule emails. Ever wanted to send an email later without actually being online, maybe early morning or at night? This is perfect for that. Here's how to do it. Click the Compose button on the left side. Write your email like you normally would. Now go to the bottom of the Compose window. Instead of clicking Send, click the small arrow next to it, then click Schedule Send. You'll see a few suggested times, or you can click Pick Date and Time. Choose your preferred schedule, then click Schedule Send. To check it, go to the left sidebar and click Scheduled. You'll see your email there, and you can even edit or cancel it before it sends. Tip number 3, use email templates. If you keep typing the same replies again and again, you're wasting a lot of time. Templates will fix that. First, go to the top right and click the settings gear. Click See All Settings. Go to the Advanced tab, find Templates, and click Enable. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now click Compose and type the message you want to reuse. Click the 3 dots at the bottom right of the Compose window. Hover over Templates. Click Save Draft as Template, then Save as New Template. Give it a name and save it. Next time, just click the 3 dots again, go to Templates, and insert it instantly. Tip number 4, use Advanced Search. If you're scrolling through emails trying to find something, stop doing that. You can find it in seconds. Go to the search bar at the top, click the filter icon on the right side. A search panel will open. Here, you can type a sender in the From field. You can add keywords in Has the words. You can also check Has attachment. Once you set it up, click Search. Gmail will instantly show only the emails that match your filter. Tip number 5, use labels and filters. If your inbox looks messy, this will clean everything up automatically. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click More, then click Create New Label. Enter a name like Work or Personal, then click Create. Now go to the search bar and click the filter icon on the right. Set a condition like a specific sender or keyword, and then click Create Filter. Check Apply the Label and choose the label you just created. You can also check Also Apply Filter to matching conversations to organize existing emails too. Then click Create Filter again. Now Gmail will automatically organize those emails as they arrive, keeping your inbox clean without any extra effort. Tip number 6, enable keyboard shortcuts. If you want to move faster in Gmail without clicking everything, this is a game changer. Go to the top right and click the settings gear, then click See All Settings. Under the General tab, scroll down until you see Keyboard Shortcuts, then select Keyboard Shortcuts on. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now try pressing C to compose a new email, E to archive a message, and R to reply. To see more shortcuts, press Shift plus question mark on your keyboard. This will open the full list of keyboard shortcuts. From there, you can explore more options and even enable or disable certain shortcuts if available. Once you get used to it, you'll notice how much faster everything feels. Tip number 7, mute conversations. Ever get stuck in an email thread that just keeps going and you don't want to be part of it anymore? You can mute it. Open the email conversation, then click the 3 dots at the top right of the message. Click Mute. That conversation will disappear from your inbox and skip it moving forward. If you ever need to find it again, just go to the search bar and type is muted. Simple trick, but it saves you from a lot of unnecessary emails. Tip number 8, use multiple inbox layout. If you want to see everything at once instead of switching views, this will help a lot. Click the settings gear in the top right, then under Quick Settings, find Inbox Type and select multiple inboxes. Click Customize, Now you'll see panel sections where you can add filters. You can type things like is colon unread for unread emails or is colon starred for starred emails. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now your inbox will be split into sections so you can see everything at once without switching views. Tip number 9, enable offline mode. What if you don't have internet but still need to check your emails? You can still use Gmail. Click the settings gear, then go to See All Settings. Open the offline tab and check Enable Offline Mail. In the sync settings section, choose how many days of emails you want available. Then in the security section, choose what happens after you log out of your Google account. You can select either keep offline data on my computer or remove offline data from my computer. Once done, click Save Changes. Now, even without internet, you can read emails and write new ones. They'll automatically send once you're back online, so you never miss anything. And lastly, tip number 10, use stars and importance markers. If you want to quickly find your most important emails, this is a simple but powerful trick. In your inbox, look at the star icon next to any email and click it once to add a star. Click it multiple times to cycle through different star types. To customize it, go to the settings gear, then click See All Settings. Scroll down to the stars section and drag the stars you want into the In Use row. You can also click 4 stars or all stars to quickly enable more options. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Bonus tip, if you have too many stars and want to find a specific one, just hover over the star to see its name, like Blue Star. Then go to the search bar and type has.bluestar to find all emails with that star. Now you can organize emails visually and find them much faster without digging through your inbox. And that's it. Those are 10 Gmail tips and tricks you should definitely start using to boost your productivity. Now, I'm curious, how many of these tips did you already know? And which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments as well. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and really helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tips and tricks for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.